Hi, I'm Mike, and today we're going to show you how to change your burner control knob. Your burner control knob is going to be the only knob on the range that is smaller than the 4 other surface burner control knobs. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to gently move the knob back and forth until it slides off of the switch. Then you're going to grab your new OEM replacement knob, and if you don't have one of these knobs, you can pick one up at one of our online stores. And make sure when you're lining up the knob to put back onto the switch that you match the D shaft inside of the knob. And what you're going to do is just going to gently push until that knob's back on. You've completed your repair today. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, comment, or share. And if you liked our video, please subscribe down below.